All right, let's take a look at the Azure plan by Amerston Homes. This is a single-story home located in Rio Rancho near Unser and Paseo, sitting on a half-acre lot with no HOA. Let's head inside. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,084 square feet, all on one level, along with a 2-car garage. Here's the kitchen. This is a gourmet kitchen with a large granite island, LG stainless steel appliances, and a stainless steel vented hood. The pantry is roomy and has plenty of room for storage. The kitchen opens to the dining and living area throughout the home. You'll notice 8-foot doors and 10-foot ceilings. In the living room, there's a contemporary gas fireplace in the corner. Down the hallway, you'll find a laundry room and a powder room for your guests. Here is one of the guest bedrooms. It's large enough to fit a queen-size bed. And another of the guest bedrooms could be a perfect study or nursery. The guest bath is roomy, tile surround in the shower, and your primary bedroom has plenty of room to fit a king-size bed and additional furniture. The ensuite bathroom features a freestanding garden tub, a walk-in shower with tile surround, and a raised double vanity with granite countertops. The primary closet is large. There's a his and hers. This is a move-in ready home on a half-acre lot with no HOA. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, I'm John Olmstead with Amerston Homes. Call or text me at 505-999-0930.